Okay, let us see the page number 184, second Roman. Find the value of K. For which the polypoints are collinear. Seven minus 2, 5, 1, 3K. The area of triangle is 0. That is collinear. X1, X2, X3, Y1, Y2, Y3, X1 7, X2 5, X3 3, Y1 minus 2, Y1 2, Y3K. Area of triangle. Of modulus X1 into Y2 minus Y3 plus X2 into Y3 minus Y1 plus X3 into Y1 minus Y2. Okay? Collinear means area of triangle is 0. That is called collinear. Identified X1, X2, X3 and Y1, Y2, Y3. That area of triangle is of modulus X1 into Y2 minus Y3 plus X2 into Y3 minus Y1 plus X3 into Y1 minus Y2. Please be noted.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Complete, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Half into modulus X1 means 7 into Y2 minus Y3. 1 minus K plus X2. 5 into Y3 minus Y1. K minus 2 plus X3 into Y1 minus Y2. Of mod 7 into 1 7 minus 7 into K 7K plus 5K minus into minus plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into minus 3. of modulus 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9. Area of collinear area of triangle is 0. Of modulus 7, 10, 17 minus 9, 8 minus 2k equal to 0. 8 minus 2k equal to 0. 8 is equal to k, then k is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4.
Sir, area of triangle is 0. Then కింద నుంచి చెప్పండి sir.
Area of triangle is 0. Collinear, if points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. So of mod 7 plus 10, 17 minus 9, 8 minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k equal to 0. 8 minus 2k is equal to 2 into 0, 0. 8 equal to 2k, then k is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ 0 చేసేటప్పుడు హాఫ్ అంతా 0 అయిపోతుంది. ఓన్లీ లోపల ఉన్న 8 మైనస్ ఇన్నర్ సైడ్ వస్తుంది. 8 minus 2k 8 లోపల ఉన్న మాడ్యులస్ లోపలదే వస్తుంది.
Completed sir.
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Completed sir.
Okay. Come to second one. Eight 1 k minus 4 2 minus 5. x1 8 x2 k x3 2 y1 1 y2 minus 4 y3 minus 5. Area of triangle of modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Equal to of modulus 8 into y2 means minus 4 minus 5. x2 means k, y3 minus 5 minus 1 plus x3 2 into y1 1 minus 4. If the points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. Of modulus 8 into minus 4 minus into minus plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 into 1 minus into minus plus 4 equal to 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Same ditto. First,
Okay, sir.
first model, same model. We are firstly identified x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Next, area of triangle formula. And if the points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. Of mod x of modulus 8 into minus 4 into minus 4 minus 1 to minus 5 plus minus 4 plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 into 1 minus into minus plus 4 of modulus 8 into minus 4 plus 5 1 k into minus 6 plus 2 into 4 plus 1 5 equal to 0.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay.
1 second, sir.
Okay.
సార్ 9 వచ్చింది.
8 minus 6k plus 10. 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. K is equal to
Okay, sir.
of modulus 8 into 1, 8.
సార్ ఒకసారి నాకు చూసి పెట్టండి సార్. తీసేయండి సార్.
సార్ 3 వచ్చింది సార్, 9 కాదు.
Okay, okay. 18 minus 6k is equal to 0, where 18 is equal to 6k, k is equal to 18 by 6, 3.
Completed.
Okay. Of modulus 8 minus 6k plus 10 equal to 0. Of modulus 8 plus 10, 18 minus 6k equal to 0. 18 minus 6k equal to 0, where 18 is equal to 6k. Therefore, k is equal to 18 by 6, that is equal to 10.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay.
Complete, sir.
Okay. Come to third one. KK 2, 3 and 4 minus 1. Dividing into x1, x2, x3. K2, 4, K3 minus 1. Area of triangle of modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0 of modulus x1 k into y2 3 minus 1 plus x2 2 into y3 minus 1 minus k plus x3 4 into k minus 3 of k into 3 plus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus k plus 4 into 4k minus 12 of modulus 4k minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 12.
సార్ లాస్ట్ లైన్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
Okay. Of modulus k into 3 minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus k plus 4k minus 4 into 3 12 of modulus 3 plus 1 4k plus into minus minus 2 plus into minus minus 2k plus 4k minus 12.
ఓకే సార్.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Okay, okay.
Complete,
4
sir.
plus 4k of modulus 4k plus 4k 8k 8k minus 2k
6K.
minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 equal to 0 of modulus 6k minus 14 equal to 0 6k minus 14 equal to 0 6k equal to 14 then k is equal to 14 by 6 that is equal to 7 by 3.
హలో సార్ ముందు పేజ్ అట్రా సార్.
Yes.
కంప్లీట్ సార్.
Okay.
సార్ 6k ఈక్వల్ టు 14 తర్వాత
Hmm?
One minute, sir.
Okay, okay.
సార్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా?
KK 2, 3 and 4 minus 1, this is a problem. Firstly, you are identified in what is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. That is next area of triangle of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Of mod where x1 is k into y2 means 3, formula minus y3 is also minus, so bracket is compulsory using 3 minus minus 1 plus x2 2 into y3 minus 1 minus y1 k plus x3 4 into y1 k minus 3 of mod k into 3 minus into minus plus k1 3 plus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus k plus 4k minus 12 of mod 3 plus 1 means 4k plus into minus minus 2 plus into minus minus 2k plus 4k minus 12 of 4k plus 4k 8k minus 2k minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 of modulus 6k minus 14 equal to 0, where 6k minus 14 into 0, 0. 6k is equal to 14, where k is equal to 14 by 6, cancellation 7 by 3.
ఫినిష్ ఇట్ సార్.
sir.
Okay?
Back page button,
Okay,
sir.
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 Okay.
1 minute, sir.
సార్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇంకా అయిపోయిందా సార్? ఇంకో రామన్ ఉందా?
Second Roman 3 subs అయిపోయింది, completed. Come to third Roman.
Sir, okay, sir. Turns.
కంప్లీట్ సార్.
Yes. Come to third Roman.
Okay, sir.
సార్ ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ పేజ్ పెట్టండి సార్.
Okay.
కంప్లీట్ సార్.
Yes.
రాసాను. కంప్లీట్ సార్.
Okay. Come to third Roman. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are zero, -1, 2, 1, and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle.
Triangle.
This is the problem. Find area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1, and 0, 3. Find the ratio of the area to the area of this given triangle. Firstly, you draw a roughly diagram triangle ABC. A, A, B, C. This is equal to midpoints. A is 0, -1, 2, 1, 0, 3. Midpoint of D. D is a midpoint of AD, BC. E is a midpoint of AC. F is a midpoint of AB. Midpoint of D is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, 2 plus 0 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is equal to 2 by 2, 4 by 2. That is equal to 1, 2. Firstly, you find midpoints of D, E, F.
కంప్లీట్ సార్.
Okay.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
నాకు
Okay.
వీడియో రావట్లేదు సార్.
Switch off చేసేవా సార్ చూడు.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు
D is
వచ్చింది,
a
1 సెకండ్ ఆగండి సార్.
Okay, okay. D is a midpoint of BC, E is a midpoint of AC, and F is a midpoint of AB. Firstly, you finding midpoints like D, E, F. First midpoint of D is equal to BC. BC is a midpoint of BC, D. So, 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 0 by 2. 2 plus 0 means 2, 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 means 4, 4 by 2. That is equal to 2. Another midpoint is E, E and F.
ఏంటమ్మా అర్థం
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి. సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా?
Okay, okay. Roughly, you draw a roughly diagram of triangle ABC. That midpoints like D, E, F. D is a midpoint of BC, E is a midpoint of AC, and F is a midpoint of AB. Midpoint of D is equal to B and C, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 0 means 2, 2 by 2, comma, 1 plus 3 means 4 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1, and 4 by 2 means 2. And the midpoint of D is equal to 1, 2. Midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC is equal to D is equal to.
Sir,
Okay.
midpoint of E is equals to
Midpoint.
0 and 1.
D is a midpoint of BC. D is a midpoint of AC. F is a midpoint of AB. Midpoint of BC, that is equal, D is equal to 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 0 by 2 means 2 by 2, comma, 1 plus 3 means 4 by 2. Cancellation of 1 and 2.
Sir, midpoint of E is equals to 1 and 0 and 1, sir.
0 and 1, yes, okay. Midpoint of
సార్ ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ పేజ్ పెట్టరా?
okay.
సార్ మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ బీసీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డి అని ఉన్నది కదా సార్, అది 2 ప్లస్ 0 బై 2 కింద బాగానే వేసారు సార్. 1 ప్లస్ 3 ఇది ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్.
2 plus 0 by 2 means 2.
కంప్లీట్ సార్.
Yes. Midpoint of AC, that is equal to E. Zero plus 0 by 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. This is equal to 0 by 2, 2 by 2. That is equal to 0 and 1. Midpoint of AB is equal to F. Zero plus 2 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 by 2, 0.
సార్ 1 and 0 వచ్చింది సార్.
1, 0. 0, 1 and 1, 0.
సార్ ఫ్రంట్
Sir,
పేజ్ సార్
page-
పెట్టండి.
Huh?
ఫ్రంట్ పేజ్ పెట్టండి సార్. ఓకే సార్.
Next, area of triangle ABC, area of midpoints triangle means area of triangle DEF. Two triangles are finding.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now area of triangle.
సార్ ఒకసారి
Area
బ్యాక్
of triangle ABC.
సార్ ఒకసారి బ్యాక్. ఓకే సార్ అయిపోయింది సార్.
Now area of triangle ABC, that is equal to of modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus
Y1.
y2. Where x1, x2, x3, y1, y2 and y3. Where x1,
0,
0,
x2 2, x3 0,
yes, very good. Minus 1,
x3 minus 1, 1 3.
okay. Substitute the values of that formula. That is equal to of modulus x1 means 2,
Sir, 0, x1.
y2 means 1 minus 3.
Sir,
Ah,
x1
Plus-
0, sir.
x1 0 na. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 0 into
1 minus.
y2 1 minus y3 0 3 plus x2 2 into y3 minus y1 minus 1 plus x3 0 into y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus 1 of 0 into minus 2 plus 2 into 3 minus into minus plus 1 0 into minus 2 of 0 into anything 0 2 into 4 plus 0 into anything 0 half into 2 into 4 8, that is equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4.
Sir, ముందు పేజ్ అడ్రస్ సార్. Complete, sir.
Okay. Now another area that is area of triangle DEF. Midpoints area. Midpoints area of triangle DEF.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now area
Sir,
of
nothing, sir. Complete, sir.
yes. Now area of triangle DEF. DEF means midpoints are DEF. That is equal formula is of mod. Same y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. For clarify, identified the x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3. One two zero one one zero. 1 2 0 1 1 0. 1 0 1 2 1 0. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
1 0 1 2 1 0. This is equal to of mod x1 means 1 into y2 minus y3. 1 minus 0 plus x2 0 into 0 minus 2 plus 1 into y1 minus y2 2 minus 1 of 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1 half into 1 into 1 1 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1, that is equal to half into 2 1 square unit.
Completed, sir.
Complete, sir.
Completed, sir.
Now the area of the ratio of triangle ABC and triangle DEF of given triangle. Okay, finish.
Yes, sir.
Finish, sir.
Okay. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC is 4.
4.
4 is to
1, sir.
that. Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
ఒక నిమిషం సార్. Completed, sir.
Yes. Fourth one is find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 3 minus 2 and 2 3. Let be the points. A 4 minus 2, B minus 3 minus 5, C 3 minus 2, and D 2 3.
సార్ -4 -2 కదా సార్?
ఎక్కడ?
క్వశ్చన్ లో -4
Okay, okay.
-2 సార్, మీరు ఓన్లీ 4 వేసారు.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. Okay, completed?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yes, area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to of modulus x1 into y2 minus y4 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y4 minus y2 plus x4 into y1 minus y3. Quadrilateral means four points. Starting of mod x1 into y2 minus y4 x1 next x2 into y2 next y3 minus y4 next repetition y1 plus x3 into y3 next y4 minus y1 next y2 plus x3 next x4 y4 next repetition 1 y1 minus y2 next y3.
సార్ ఇది క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ కి ఫార్ములా సార్.
Quadrilateral where another formula. Firstly, area of triangle ABC of mod x1 into y2 minus y3. ఇక్కడ of mod x1 into y2 minus y4 starting.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, of modulus where x1 equal to
సార్ స్క్రీన్
hmm? Where x1 equal to x2, x3, x4.
స్క్రీన్ రావట్లేదు.
Switch off చేసి switch on చేయి. Where x1, x2, x3, x4 minus 4 minus 3 3 2 and y1 minus 2 minus 5.
-5 -2 3.
Yes. Substitute the values of the area of quadrilateral formula. Area of quadrilateral. Of modulus x1 minus 4 into y2 minus y4 minus 5
-5 -3
yes x2 plus x2 means
minus 3
into
into
y3 minus 2
-2 minus
given the coordinate is minus value, then apply your another bracket compulsory
okay sir.
plus x3
x3 3 into
3 into
minus
y4
2 into
y4 3 minus 5 plus x4 2 into y1 minus y3.
-2 minus -2.
Okay na?
Okay sir.
Of mod minus 4. Firstly, simplification in bracket minus 8 minus 3 into minus 2. This is multiplication plus 2 plus 3 into 3. This multiplication into plus 5 plus 2 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2. of mod minus 4 into minus into minus plus 32. This is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 3 into 8. This is equal to 0 plus 0. Half into 32 plus 3 into 8, 24. Half into 56. This is equal to 56 by 2 equal to 28 square units.
Please, sir.
Yes.
Finish, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
One minute.
Okay.
సార్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
Okay. Area of quadrilateral means of modulus x1 into y2 minus y4 of modulus minus 4 into minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3. X2 means minus 3 into y3 minus y1 minus 2 and minus of minus 2 plus x3 3 into y4 minus y2 3 minus minus 5. Given the coordinate is minus, it compulsory use bracket. Okay. Plus x4 2 into y1 minus y3 minus 2 minus of minus 2 of mod minus 4 into minus 5 minus 3 same sign, so minus 8 minus 3 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 into 3 minus into minus plus 5 plus 2 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2. These are cancelled. So minus 4 into minus 8 minus into minus plus 32 plus 3 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 8 minus 2 plus 2 cancelled. 2 into 0 0 of mod 32 plus 3 8 24. This is equal to half into 56. 56 by 2, that is equal cancellation 28 square units.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please on your videos, all of you. Harini, Asha, Nandini, Raji, Neelima, Anil, Akshay, Navya, Kranti, Swanalika, Sri Balaji, Gayatri, and Hari. On your videos. Neelima, all of you open your videos. Just 1 minute. Neelima, Anil, Dhanush. Okay. Swanalika, Asha. Asha, Nandini. Okay.
Yes.
Indira, Akshay, Balaji, Gayatri, Asha. Neelima. Neelima, respond out. स्क्रीन में चलो. नीलिमा.
Sir,
చదువు వీడియోలోకి రా.
area of triangle ABC is equal to half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y. Sir, again, sir.
y1
y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 2, x3 is equal to 0. y1 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 1, y3 is equal to 3. Half modulus 0 into minus 1, 3 plus 2 into minus 3 minus into 1 minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 minus 1. Half modulus 0 into minus 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 plus 0 into minus 2. Half modulus 0 plus 2 into x sir adi
4
4 plus 0. Half modulus 8 is equal to half 8 8
8
is
by
equal
2.
2 is equal to 4 square units.
Very good. Akshay. Anil Kumar. Indira. Okay, Dhanush.
చదవనా సార్
Chal.
midpoint of AC is equal to E is equal to bracket 0 plus 0 by 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to whole 0 by 2 2 by 2 is equal to 0 and 1.
Yes.
Midpoint of AB is equal to F. F is equal to 0 plus 2 by 2. 1 minus 2 plus 1. 1 is by 2 is equal cancel. 1 into 1 cancel. Is
Okay.
equal to 2 by 2 and 0 is equal to 1 and 0.
Okay. Sir, వీడియోలోకి రండి. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Yes. Yesterday submit the homework on 15 plus. Out of 30, 15 members are escaped. Today given the homework in group. Please responded and practice and posted. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.